coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Hey, thank you, dude. This is Pulmuone and their crab ramen non-fried noodle. They kind of tend to lean towards the healthier end of the proverbial stick. You don't want to get a poke in the eye from the proverbial stick, no. So, what do we do here? I'll show you what to do with your instant noodle. You take the non-fried noodle block, drop it into your 17 ounces of water. It's funny, it's like, usually on all of them they'll say how many milliliters. This one does not at all. It's like, oh, this is for the US market. They won't understand milliliters. Why even bother? We're just gonna give them cups and ounces. Like, oh, come on. Some of us are keen on that. We can handle it. Make them fiddle a little bit with their measuring cup. I don't see where it's, I don't know what a ml is. How many mLs does he use? I don't think there's anybody saying. I could be wrong. But I think it's all good. I think we do have the propensity to adapt in such ways. I wish we would just completely adapt to using the metric system, as everybody everywhere does. So let's turn this down a little. And timer's going. That's good. And we are going to play some kind of video game for a little bit. Does that sound like fun? Play a little video game on the arcade machine, the Ramen Raider arcade machine. It's wonderful. Truly wonderful. You might be asking yourself, how'd you get your own video game? Are you a millionaire or something, Ramen Raider? No. I actually got this arcade cabinet. It was all white when I got it. It's covered in posters that I got over the years from instant noodle companies, and these are all duplicates. And so my wife cut them up and collaged them together. And so that's what we got going on here. She did a rad job too. There were some posters with my logo on them. That was neat. So we got that right there. We got all these right here. And then $35 to get that printed on, and actually it was printed by a place that's local. And then I got a piece of plexiglass for $4 to go over it. The glass came with it. Had to buy some spray paint. We're gonna replace that with plexi. And I got a matte cut at Michael's, and yeah, that was like $50, and that was stupid, totally stupid. But yeah, gonna get rid of that. The monitor I already had. My wife got me the game box that's in there. It's a Pandora EX2. I think that was like $60. Yeah, a cut mat cost almost as much as the thing that actually the games are on. Can you believe it? Hear me now and believe me later. Yeah, this says it's called Crazy Balloon. How do you play Crazy Balloon? I don't know. Let's attack. Sweet. Start. Whoa. I died that quick? What? Oh, this is not the game for me, folks. What is it? Oh. Oh, we gotta navigate the balloon through all these spikes. Oh, forget it. Game over. I'm a big loser. I like it how in these old games, so to erase a character, it says rub. So it's like, this is called disco. What's disco? A little disco. Disco. Whoa. Whoa. What am I? Which one's me? Is that me? Oh. Whoa. What's going on? I have no clue. This is like, yeah, what? There was one though. There was a neat vector one I want to show you, and I don't. What's this? There's like all these games on here. So many are discs of Tron. Oh, well, that's enough of that. Because we have to get back to the, the important stuff. Come on. But, yeah, a new little thing to do while we're letting Noodles cook. Play video games. Alright, so we've got our crab-flavored, non-fried ramen. There it is. Let's have a party, yeah! Now, it looks alright for a Korean ramen. You might be wondering, where's the laser show today? Well, the laser show needed charging, so it's charging tomorrow. Cheers. Nice little bit of chew on that. There's our broth. It's got a nice That's nice. Some bits. Oh yeah. And there is indeed some fish in there. Little bits of crab stick, I think, going on. That's good. That's a good one. I am. The last one wasn't enthused. This one, I'm billowing enthusiasm, folks. Let's make a sandwich, baby. Time to make a sandwich. Maybe a ham sandwich. Ooh. Oh, everybody likes a ham sandwich. Come on. Wow, that's so smooth. Don't you like it smooth? A little bit cakey consistency, folks. We're gonna go this route, and you'll be happy. I think there is quite a bit of. Whoa, come on! Let's not be all silly nilly. Let's have a party, yeah, yeah. Wow, that egg came out weird. These eggs from the local grocer are really strange. And like, it sucks lately because eggs have just been so hit and miss. I think it has all to do with the place where I get them. I get them at a store called Safeway, and I'm not gonna say that all the eggs from Safeway are garbage, because some of them have been really great. But this one, it's like $8 for an 18 pack of these nice brown eggs, but so many came out like jacked up in some way or another. And it's almost like on their way to get to me, they've been frozen. Or yeah, there's like weird stuff going on that shouldn't be. Like in the supply chain, they're getting ruined, and that's crap. But we do have kimchi. I've been eating a lot of kimchi lately, which I enjoy kimchi. It's very much a part of my dietary intake lately. 14 calories per ounce. You can just chug down kimchi like you're a psychopath. What's neat too is there's always some liquid left in the bottom, and that kimchi liquid, you put that in some ramen and you are like loving it. If you like kimchi. If you don't like kimchi, that's fine with me. I'm fine with that. Plenty of people don't like kimchi. It's not like, if you don't like, I see people all the time going, you can't have ramen without kimchi. It's like, absolutely you can, but there's no reason to be a kimchi snob about it. I see people being kind of snobby about a lot of things, especially about pedestrian ramen. Granted, a lot of people like their shin, but it's like, dude, come on. You're freaking one-trick ponies. There's a guy that's like I ran into in the Ramen Junkies chat group. It's either that or my other group, Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider on Facebook. You can check those out. But the guy's like, yeah, there's really nothing I haven't done with ramen. Really? What are you talking about? Are you amazing? Are you that cool? I don't know. And then it turns out he's talking about like economy pillow pack Marchand, which honestly, there's nothing wrong with that, but you know. He was talking about making ramen using mayo and tortilla chips. I was like, what? And then the guy with the potatoes, that I just couldn't fathom, and I won't. Anyways, again, another shout out to James from Lakeside, California, man. Appreciate you. Really, really nice of you to send me stuff so on the regular. Yeah, and this is a really good one. By the way, this comes in a 5-pack. It's really not one that you can get in singles like he sent. On the back it says not labeled for individual sale. It doesn't have the all the nutrition facts and all that stuff, but the 5-pack or 4-pack or whatever they come in will. So if that's bugging you, then they've got it on Amazon. There's a link to buy it on Amazon if you want. it's good. It's a good. Good. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Thank you very much, and bye.